Yeah.
You're not getting anymore. You gotta take your shirt off. I'm not taking my shirt off.
Hey, Ani.
Hey guys, we're at the beach finally because it's not supposed to rain.
Hey, the sand's above.
I don't.
MJ.
You never to the beach?
Mama, I'm scared to step in a crab. That's what I'm scared of, the sand.
Yeah, you want to go walk?
That's what I'm scared.
Hey, Dad, you're on the beach. Yay.
Look at that bird.
I see. Come on.
Behind me.
Come on.
What is that? Oh. Mommy, look, there's a little cat.
No, hey, no.
Come on, Dad, hold my hand.
Now the tide is pretty high, okay?
Can't go down deep.
Now you can't go far because there might be an undertow. The flag is
Dad,
red.
hi.
Water cold.
So that means you gotta stay out by the shore.
Put your feet in the water, Daddy.
You get it, water?
I'm scared.
Here it comes. Woo! It is cold.
Oh, you feel that?
Dang, Mom, we forgot to bring our phone cases. Oh my gosh. Oh!
It's keep first time time.
Oh, this is the first time.
Yeah, it's keep first time on the beach.
Dad, we're at the beach. What? Oh, this is so cool.
Careful, because this could fall like that. So be careful. I just don't know. Okay, but don't play.
Come on, let's
It's so cool, though.
Breaking off itself, good.
Yeah.
I want to do this.
Sometimes the water is
Hey, MJ.
Hey, Mommy, come here.
MJ.
The bug.
MJ, you love the beach.
The
Come
big
on.
wave.
Come on.
Mommy, but yeah, but there was. The beach.
Get your feet in water here. Let's put our feet in. Come on. Woo! Here it comes. There it goes. Woo! It's okay, Dad. He done failed y'all. Here it comes. Woo! Oh, come on. It's
wet?
okay. Oh, he's wet. It knocked MJ over. It knocked you over, Dad. It's okay. Do a flip. Ow.
Ow!
Yeah, you like it?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Honey, you run it down. I see ya. Look, y'all got Elias on the beach. Got Elias on the beach. You're not on the beach?
What's up?
Ow.
Gang?
Gang.
You out here? Sand between my toes.
Ow.
On
Period.
these hoes.
Elias, you're stupid. Boo! Get him! Oh, y'all. Look at him. Oh, my baby. Come on, Dad. I got you, Dad. Come on, they're coming. The wave is coming, Dad. He got his little boxers on. What you want, Dad? It's over here. Put your swimsuit on. Yes, got his boxers on. Be careful.
After you can just catch up. Mama, sprinkle a little more.
Ow. Look at you.
Mommy, that's how you sprinkle.
Can you hold this? Oh, never mind. Mom, hold this. Thank you. They coming, Dad. I'm good on the water. Look at them. Look at Elias. Okay. You better be still, Kiara.
Oh, God, no. Don't worry about it. I got hair on the head. Don't worry about it.
Oh, Kiara. Oh, this light is so pretty. Elias! Oh my God! Elias! Look at this! Look! Look! I made it to you.
I'm trying to record this
Oh,
shit.
no. Oh, God.
Mama?
Oh, God. Oh, look, the lighting is so good. Like,
Ooh, if only I had my hair done.
my hair's done, y'all. Still cute. Natural face.
Okay.
Period. Oh. Come on, Beata. Look at Elias, though. I got it. Okay, Elias. Boy, you're not swimming. What are you doing? Elias! Oh my God! Elias really thinks he's doing something. Say hi.
Oh, hey. Little booby
Look at
action.
MJ. Look at MJ. Oh, look at Daddy, y'all. He need to put all that away. Serious. Let's go out here. I know, I should have put my swimsuit on.
My hair gonna be fine. I'm gonna have my baby.
This like the first time the sun's been out. I don't got my swimsuit on. Cheeks out, okay? Period. Uh-oh.
Okay, kids. Go down there.
It's deep down that side.
It is. It's getting deeper right here.
They better keep taking the thing away.
Big wave.
Where?
Oh, big wave.
Oh,
right there.
yeah. Oh. Oh, my God. It is.
Smack. Big
That
wave.
water. Oh. What you got?
Seashell. Sierra.
Yeah, that's why it's so hard. Oh, that's awesome. That's so pretty.
So beautiful, y'all. Yeah, so y'all, we came to the beach. We weren't prepared. We just tried to rush and get here before it started raining again. So it really sucks because MJ don't got no beach toys. Yanni ain't got no beach toys. MJ didn't have his swim shirt. We just wasn't prepared. We just rushed to get down here before it started raining again. But I wish we would have just came prepared. And I hope it don't rain no more so we can come back and really enjoy ourselves. Because like we literally took off. As soon as it stopped raining and the sun came out, we all just like, let's go. Let's go now before it starts raining again. It's been raining ever since we got here. But it's really nice out here right now. It's really nice. So yeah, I hope we get to come back to the beach because it's so pretty. And to be honest, like, you can only go out so far because the red flags are out right now. The waves are really up, so you really can't do much but stay on the shoreline. So, but yeah, so gang, stay tuned. There will be another remake of a beach video. Hopefully we can come back before we leave next week. So yeah, but I'm glad y'all got to, you know, see us enjoy our family time at the beach because this is pretty dope. MJ, he seems like he's loving it. Last time he came to the beach, he was only about 5 months. So yeah, my freckles are really popping right now. All I see is these freckles on my face. But yeah, so thank y'all for watching and thank y'all for tuning in. And y'all already know we're gonna be back, so stay tuned for some more videos from One Love Gang Gang. We love y'all. We love that y'all come watch us, support us, and just hit that subscribe button, okay?